Yours is.
Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra.
Echo Sierra, stand by. Let me take the November 0 call. All right, November 0, Mike Zulu, QSL. QSL. Roger, the 5-9 is both ways, 5-9, and I appreciate your patience, and hunt me down. You betcha. All right, call ending in Echo Sierra.
Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra.
Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra. QSL?
QSL, my friend, had good signal, my friend. 5757 into Lima Alpha, Louisiana.
All right, it's 5-7 both ways. I appreciate your patience, and hunt me down, 7-3.
7-3, my friend. Thanks for being out there. POTA on.
You betcha. Kilo 0, Lima.
CQ Coda, Kilo Foxtrot 0, Tango Charlie Whiskey, Parks on the air.
Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra.
Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra, you are about a 5-5 here in Colorado, QSL.
QSL, my friend, I have you a 5-5 as well into Lima Alpha, Louisiana. Thanks for answering my call. Thanks for being out there. 7-3s and POTA on, my friend.
Thanks for the contact from Louisiana, 73, this is KF0TCW.
X3 November Sierra, X3 Sierra.
Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra. Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra.
Victoria. All right, got that time. Kilo India 4, on your own, 5 and 9 to the platform. 3 offsets, 2 left.
QSO, you're 5-9 here in Western North Carolina.
And we appreciate the Western North Carolina. Have a great day out there, 7-3.
73.
Victor Echo 3, X3 November Sierra, and Cruz, yours is.
Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra.
Kilo India 5, Whiskey Echo Sierra, 5 and 3, 5 and 3, Weston.
Roger that, my friend. I've got you 5 and 5, 55 with a little bit of QRM back there. Somebody's pretty close to you. 73, thanks for being out there in the park, and I appreciate it. 7-3, good luck.
All right, thanks for hanging today, Weston. Do appreciate that, and have a great day out there, 7-3. Thanks, Bravo, Delta Whiskey calling. CQ Parks on the air and listening.
Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra.
Kilo India 5 Whiskey, didn't get the rest of it. Great signal, I just was slow.
Echo Sierra. Whiskey Echo Sierra.
I got you now, buddy. Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra. Beautiful loud signal, man. You're sounding great today, Weston. 5 and 9 here into Kentucky into 2 parts today. 10170 and 4484. How are you?
Roger that, my friend. I have you a solid 5-6, real strong audio down here in Lima Alpha, Louisiana. Thanks for being out there for Support Your Parts weekend, and I'll be out there tomorrow. 73 and POTA on, my friend.
All right, buddy. Thanks for hunting me, even though the band is busy. And hopefully I'll be home. It's usually in-laws day on Sunday, but if I'm home, I'll look for you, buddy. Good luck to you. Have a great weekend. 7-3.
7-3.
This is November.